Hello guys, so in the last video I show the unboxing of E4K camera. So here is my E4K camera. So I told you that I have ordered a gimbal too. So here it is. It was stuck in customs. So I have to pay 1584 rupees for custom clearance, and it just arrived home. Let's open this. So as you can see, this is the package. Nothing special. They don't print the price anywhere, so it's just the package. So nice packaging. You have phone so that it doesn't get damaged while coming. So this is what a user manual, some warranty stuff, and the gimbal itself. So this gimbal supports 18350 batteries. So this is a 18350 battery. So I have already bought few, but these are of wrong size. Oh shit, I have to get them replaced. So let's unbox the gimbal first. This is the battery charger. So it's a battery charger. It takes in micro USB and it can charge two gimbal batteries at once. USB cable, micro USB cable for charging, and the gimbal itself. So let's put the batteries inside. So this opens from here. Let's put the camera now. So you have to unscrew this. I think unscrewing one will work. Put on the camera. You have to unscrew both of them. So most of the problems with the gimbal is when you record the video in the gimbal, it catches the motor sound. So I don't put the gimbal in this way that the microphone is on the motor side. So one microphone is on the top behind this and one is there, so it won't capture the motor noise. Now let's power it on. So now check the modes of this e-gimbal. So this is the first mode. As you can see, the light is blinking once. So one axis is locked. It is only pan mode, so you can pan in the direction you want. It will follow you, but one axis is locked, so it will only rotate on one axis. So now tap twice. As you can see, the light is blinking twice now. So now this is pan and tilt mode. So the camera will follow you where you want to show you. So now it will follow the direction you move. So like the gimbal is in front side, so it will in front. So if you move the gimbal or if you move upward, so gimbal will move the camera in the same direction as you point it. So this is pan and tilt. So in this mode, both the axes will rotate, as you can see. So you don't have any jerks or anything like that. Third mode is lock mode. So on the first mode, when the light is blinking once, just tap once. Now you can see the light is blinking thrice. So now the gimbal is in lock mode. So if you move the camera in any direction, gimbal in any direction, the camera will remain only in the direction it was locked. So you can change it. Just move the direction, move the camera in the direction you want to point it, and hold it for 2 or 3 seconds. It will lock in the new direction. As you can see, now it is locked. So now again if you want to change, just move it in that direction and hold it for 3 seconds. It is locked. So you can change the direction anytime you want just by holding the camera for 3 seconds. So that's all guys. These are the different modes of the e-gimbal. Oops.